Hello everybody, this is John with NAPCO Technical Support. In this brief video tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to set up a scene using the iBridge connected home app via the Android or iPhone apps, which can be downloaded on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So we will click on User Settings and select Z-Wave. And this will bring us to the Automation Management screen, where we will be able to select scenes. And the scene management screen here is used to control single or multiple Z-Wave devices, cameras, security system components, all according to predetermined settings. These settings all work together to create a particular atmosphere, effect, or any other desired task that you may like the Z-Wave to be in. In this example, we're going to be going over two scenes here, a bedtime scene and a coming home scene that we will be demonstrating here in the scene management. So we will actually be deleting these two, and we'll start them. Hit add scenes, and let's type in bedtime. Okay, and this brings us to the scene creation where you would be selecting your items. So we would hit select items. And in this particular case, we're going to be selecting our dimmer, our security system. We're actually going to be arming it in night mode. We're going to make sure our side house light is off, thermostat, and our lock. And as you see, as I select multiple Z-Wave devices here, they are highlighted in yellow, which these items will be included into our scene. So as you see here, you have all your settings for each individual Z-Wave device. And so for the front foyer light, we do want to keep it at 0, because if that light is on, we want it to trigger back to 0. So we will leave it there. We're going to put in our control panel security code for our alarm system. And our side house light, we do want it off. And as you see here, this is a toggle for each setting. So side house light, we will leave that off. First floor thermostat, we're going to bring this down to 70. And we could always go back to check, set to 70 is what we set. And we want our Z-Wave lock for the front door to lock up. So as we review this, our front foyer light will be at 0. We're going to be arming it in night mode. The side house light is off. The first floor is set to 70 degrees. And our front door is going to be locked. So we press save and exit. And this will save our scene here into the list. And now we will go and create another scene called Coming Home. And again, you can get very creative with the different types of scenes. These are just two examples that might be useful for the customer and to cater to their specific needs. But again, you could do a movie night, different types of scenes that, again, you can get very creative in the types of scenes that you create here. So coming home scene, we're going to just select some lights. We're going to keep the security system armed, but I like to have a couple of lights turn on before I come home, and I like to warm up the house a little bit. So let's press done. And as you see here, I got my 3 Z-Wave devices here. So the front foyer, I can bring this up to, about 50%. I want my side house light to turn on, and I want to, warm up the house a little bit before I get home. And we can have, again, these are all desired temperatures according to your customer specific needs and what temperatures they would like to set it to. And thermostat first floor is, again, one set to 74. And we press save and exit. And as you see here, we have our two scenes, bedtime and coming home. So if we press the home button and select automation, on the bottom right, you see it says scene control. And these are where our two scenes are. And again, to execute them, you can simply tap the scene, and all of those settings that we put into that scene. As you see here, the system is now arming in night mode, and putting our Z-Wave devices in the state that we chose them to. So again, in this video tutorial, we went over how to simply set up a scene for your iBridge and the functionality of the scene management screen. For further information, please visit us online at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you for watching.